You're doing habits wrong. Try this 30-day reset instead. What if you could hit a hard reset on your entire life in just 30 days? Not a fad diet, not a productivity hack that fades. I'm talking about a fundamental shift, backed by psychology, that leaves you feeling different, better. And the last habit in this reset is the one most people completely miss, yet it's the most powerful. Hey, I'm Dasmat, and if you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or just off, this is for you. We're diving into a 30-day reset designed to rewire your habits and reclaim your focus. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to feeling genuinely renewed. Okay, day 1 to 7, the morning anchor. Forget hitting snooze. Your first 30 minutes after waking up should be sacred. No phone, no email, no news. Instead, do something intentional. Maybe it's 10 minutes of quiet breathing, journaling one thing you're grateful for, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee in silence. Sacred morning routine, no phone. This sets a tone of control, not reaction, for your entire day. It's about starting from a place of intention. Now, day 8 to 14, the digital declutter. This is where most people struggle. We're going to drastically limit your social media and news consumption. Pick 1 hour a day, max. Turn off notifications for everything non-essential. Honestly, the constant influx of information is draining your mental energy. This isn't about deprivation, it's about reclaiming your attention span. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with that freed up mental bandwidth. Day 15 to 21, the movement microhabit. You don't need to run a marathon, just move. This could be a 15-minute walk after lunch, some stretching in the evening, or dancing to 3 songs. The key is consistency and enjoyment. Physical activity is a powerful mood booster and stress reliever. It primes your body and mind for the next phase. And speaking of priming, day 22 to 28, the learning leap. Dedicate 20 minutes daily to learning something new, outside your comfort zone. It could be a language app, a documentary on a new topic, a skill-based YouTube tutorial. This sparks curiosity, builds confidence, and literally rewires your brain. It keeps your mind agile and prevents stagnation. You'll feel sharper, more engaged with the world. And finally, day 29 and 30, the reflection ritual. This is the habit nobody talks about, but it's the glue. Before you go to bed on these 2 nights, take 10 minutes to reflect on the past approximately 28 days. What worked? What was challenging? How do you feel compared to when you started? Reflection, the missing piece. Don't just review the actions, focus on the internal shift. This isn't about judgment. It's about integrating the changes and understanding the profound impact they've had. This solidifies the reset. So that's the 30-day reset. Morning anchor, digital declutter, movement microhabit, learning leap, and the crucial reflection ritual. It's not about perfection. It's about consistent, intentional action. You've seen the power of these habits. Now, imagine making them yours. If this resonated with you, hit that like button. And I want to know, what's the one habit you're committing to start tomorrow? Drop it in the comments below. Let's hold each other accountable.